Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic tips to succeed in online earning. Introduction. Set clear goals and create a plan. Stay focused and motivated. Continuously educate yourself and adapt to changes in the industry. Find your niche. Identify your unique strengths and interests. Research profitable niches that align with your passions. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your brand and attract customers. Learn the ropes. Identify your niche and target audience. Build a strong online presence and brand. Continuously learn and adapt to changes in the market. Build your brand. Develop a strong digital marketing strategy to build brand awareness, attract your target audience, and increase your online earning. Create a strong online presence. Build a professional website. Optimize your social media profiles. Leverage email marketing. Create valuable content regularly. Network with other professionals in your industry. Network with like minded people. Connect with other online entrepreneurs in your niche to gain insights. Collaborate and expand your reach. Attend virtual events and join online communities. Stay motivated and consistent. Stay focused on your goals. Maintain a routine. Take breaks and reward yourself for achievements. Motivations and consistency are key. Thank you for joining me on this journey to online earning success. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.